1 Peter chapter 5 verse 10. Sabi dito, after you have suffered, come on, after you have suffered a little while, kumbaga, yung suffering, it's just a little while. Yung problema na meron ka, it's just a little while. May sakit ka ngayon, it's just a little while. Nahihirapan ka ngayon, it's just a little while. Broken-hearted ka ngayon, it's just a little while. Wala kang pera, it's just a little while. Whatever it is, anong problema mo ngayon? Anong pinagdadaanan mo ngayon? Ano ba mga bakit sa buhay mo ngayon? It's just a little while. Because our God, who is full of kindness, through Christ, will give you His eternal glory. He personally will come and pick you up and set you firmly in place and make you stronger than ever. Lahat ng sinira ng kaaway sa iyo, it's just a little while dahil i-restore din ng Panginoon yan sa iyo.